How to find location of Instagram stories. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find location of your Instagram stories. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Instagram application, let's first visit the App Store over here and just search for Instagram if you haven't, and just tap on the Instagram page within the App Store, or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and search for Instagram. Once you have opened the Instagram app page, just focus on this button right here. If that says open, that means that your Instagram is currently up to date. However, if that shows an update button, just tap on that, because that means that your Instagram is currently outdated and you should update your app. Once you have made sure that your Instagram is up to date, we can now go to the Instagram application and do the steps. So the first thing that we're going to do is to go to the profile page. So to do that, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Once you're here, click on the 3-bar line icon at the top right corner and click on archive. It should be under the Your Activity option. From these options, click on archive and make sure that you are currently at the stories archive. If not, just tap on this drop down menu option. You should see many options and just click on stories archive over here so you can find the location of your Instagram stories. So from here, you should click on this map icon right here. You should see 3 tabs, so just click on the third one. And here you should see your Instagram stories categorized into location. Take note that this only works when you added a location sticker to your stories, and they should appear on this map. Also, only you can see your archive, so you can just browse through the map of your location. And for example, I have one right here. You can also tap on that to preview the story that you made on that specific location. So this is how you can basically find location of your Instagram stories. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.